Welcome to my channel, dolls. Okay, so today I am giving you a step-by-step tutorial on the baby hairs and the frontal, how I melt my lace, and I did do the bod cap method. This hair is from Alipearl's hair company. This is their 22-inch straight hair, 24-inch straight hair. So the hair is pretty long. The ends are amazing. On this video, I did show you how to do everything up here, and like I said, I did do the bod cap method. So please enjoy the video. Okay, so first I'm using a tan cap, and then I'm going to cut the ears out and put a foundation color of my shade, maybe a shade lighter, on the cap. Before the foundation, I'm going in with the got-to-be glue just to seal this cap down. To let the cap dry, I'm using Kohl. So now we're just going to cut the lace off. This is better with sharper scissors, but I had to use these dull ones. Now that I cut some of the cap off, I'm putting the wig on just so I can see if it's how I want it to be. So as you can see the cap right there, so I'll have to cut that little bit off. I'm trying on the wig one more time to see if you see any cap. If you like it, then start off like that. I am using my Fenty foundation for this. Now that you have the foundation on, I'm going in with my toner, alcohol, just to wipe away some of the makeup. And so this is how the lace looked before, but I'm putting a little bit of foundation on that part just so it can look more natural and blend. Now that the lace is how I want it to be, I'm going to start gluing, and I'm going in with the Esha lace bonding glue. And now that the lace is all glued, I'm going to cut the lace off. I'm using similar like a zigzag pattern to cut the lace off. Okay, so now the lace is done, I'm going to create baby hairs. You can do them however you want, but this is how I do mine. So this is how I melt my lace and create baby hairs. I'm back. My makeup is all done and the baby hairs is done. I just put this on to hold it down and let it dry. So I will show you how the finished look looks. Okay. So this is the finished look of my slayed edges. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below.